Hello, my name is Brian Montes. Would you like traveling a Gorgona Island? Lovely island that you can visit and to now in 5 days and 4 nights. Cheer up. Gorgona Island is located in the Colombian Pacific in the department of Cauca. You may enjoy of is rescue, culture and gastronomy. Duration of the trip. You will enjoy 5 magnificent days and 4 nights, including accommodation and food, tour guides, and transportation to get to know this beautiful island. Means of transportation. You must take a plane to get the airport. Juan Casiano Solis, that you can travel by line, by bus, or taxi to get boarding and take a boat to get to Iceland. Activities to do. Day 1. You must visit all prisons of Colombia. Now is history structure. Day 2. You should explore the marine life of the Pacific Ocean through diving and you will sight gun waves in the water of the Pacific. Day 3. You should take an ecological observing the wild fauna and flora the island. Day 4. You must travel Pacific Crossing and tour the museum on, on the island. Day 5. The Rose, where you can enjoy the beach and buy the Pacific handicraft. Place to stay. During your stay in the Gorgona Island, is recommended to stay in the only safe and comfortable hotel and you must reserve a cabin or room on the hotel called Gorgona National Park Hotel. However, you can also camp by rating 10 with the Maures. Typical foods. As typical dishes, you should add coconut rice, sweet disky flour coconut. You should also try the fried fish referred to original tradition of the answers accompanied by rice, avocado, and banana. The Gorgona Island Hungry's typical dishes due to its variety of flour will talking about drinks that are alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks. Among the you should have thick and Colombian coffee. You must drink coconut lemonade and mint lemonade with liquor and with alcoholic. You should drink Coco Loco, margarita, and whiskey. And lula as traditional drink. Cost. To travel to the Gorgona Island will inclusive for 5 days and 4 nights. You might pay total of $300 per person, which includes air fares, lodging, food, urban transport, and tour guides. Thank you.